verifies that all personal items are placed in the storage bins. Sit back completely against the seat and pull your safety restraint all the way down until it rests securely against you. If you require any assistance, please signal a ride operator now. Please rest your head against the headrest and hold onto the safety restraint handles and enjoy your ride. Please remain seated until the ride comes to a complete stop. Once your safety restraints have been released, retrieve any personal items from the storage bins located outside of the ride exit. Please walk, do not run to the exit. Thank you for riding Nutcracker and enjoy the rest of your day at Lagoon.
You ought to see